In this video, I'm going to show you how to short a stock on TradeZero. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open up their trading platform online. And here, this is the paper trading version because I'm showcasing you on my paper trading account. And then you want to scroll down over here to where you can see your buy and sell options. And you can go ahead and search your symbol. So we're going to go ahead and change this to NVIDIA right now. There we go. And then here, you'll be able to see order prices, stuff like that. And in here, you can then set your order. So here, you want to, of course, do the quantity. You can do the paper, the type, or you can go ahead and set your expiration date, select the account, etc. And then down here, as you can see, there's a few options, and one of the buttons is short. Now, if you would like to short a stock, you'll have to click on the short button, of course, and make sure that before you do this, you actually fill in these things accordingly. So however you want to do them, just make sure you actually double check you've put everything in here correctly, and then you can click on the short button. You have to confirm this, and then that way you basically are shorting a stock. Okay, so of course the orders or the markets are now closed. I can't show you how actually this is done, but yeah, this is how you do it with this button over here and inside this box. Alternatively, if you want to use it on the chart, you can click the order button up here, and you can see you can set everything here as well, and then short it using this button again. Now, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.